Alright, today's video will be showing this new suppressor I bought, and I got it from Hop Up, and it's aluminum. This time not 3D printed. I spent about $17, I believe, or 18 or 19 maybe. It was under 20, but it's hollow inside. Only downside is that you can't take this off to put foam in there, so it's really just a mock suppressor. And I did switch this out to the original handguard so I could see if it could fit. And the good thing, it does. So that's gonna look pretty nice on here, and I might leave it on here. I don't really know yet, because my other suppressor kind of got pretty messed up, but this is what it looks like compared to this one. I do have another suppressor. This is the first one I got, second and third. So this one's about probably like 4 or 5 inches. I know for a fact this is like over 6 inches, and this is 8 inches. And you can actually put foam in there, and this one too, but it broke, so kind of been damaged a little bit. But this used to be in here. I might keep it like this, where I have that in there, but I just want to show how it's gonna sound with this, my DSG and my SSG build right here. P90 is exempt because it's not like fully modified. So I'm gonna get some batteries for these guns. All right, so this is how this sounds with its suppressor. And this is with no BBs inside. Both of these guns sound a lot quieter once there's BBs down in the chamber. And now we're gonna do this one, semi-auto. Okay, since I can't use all 3 suppressors on this right now, I'm gonna just do it on that. So this is how it sounds with this. So that's the difference from them. Gives it like an amplifier type of sound to it. We're gonna do 3 more shots, then we're gonna put this one on. So it basically gave it it's not like how this one is, because you know it's open from this whole top part. It's actually not all the way open. It's just a one in the middle, so I guess that's a little better than the 3D printed one. And I believe this is aluminum too, very sturdy. I need to paint it because it's all scratched up, but I really like this thing. But besides that, it's not as loud as this one, but you can hear like the echo inside. But now we're gonna do the same thing I just did, but with these two and not the big one. Okay, so it does give it the same echo as I said before, but I feel like I might be able to find a way to like put foam in there. Probably get like some hot like metal stick and then just like bore it out. Probably. I don't know. I don't really know if that will work or not. But if I can't put no foam in there, I can't. I'll just get another one. It was pretty cheap and it's very durable. It's gonna last, unlike this. If you notice, it was kind of offset a little bit because it kind of broke and I tried to fix it. But it just didn't really go well. But let me show size difference. Definitely about 2 inches off, and this is definitely a 4-inch one. I definitely need another one about 6 inches or 7 inches maybe, that can contain foam. And I do want a 10 suppressor too, so it can look well with my M249 saw. So I do want to see how it look with certain guns. Just how it was on the P90. It already looks nice on the Scar. And this, let me check my M481 out. So this is on here now. This came from my M249 saw. This looks like on. Looks pretty nice. Yeah, I kind of like it. I don't think it really fits the gun though. We're gonna try my other coat. This is the Sportsline key mod version. Okay, I definitely like the way it looked with this gun. Like, because it's all black and with certain accents of red, it definitely like stands out. It makes it a lot better. I'm gonna try the AK. I really don't care about my AK, but I don't know. It's just the AK, but I don't know how it will look with my honey badger. But we're gonna see about those too. Okay, this is what it looks like with it on. It's already long, so it just really makes it longer. Kind of like it. If it was a little shorter on the barrel side, it would probably look a lot better, like with my other AK I got. Alright, so this is what my honey badger looks like with it on. I do really like this, but I feel like this needs a tan suppressor. That's not just like a dull tan, but like kind of like this color, like anodized or something like that. But I do like it. And I forgot I had handguns, so you're gonna see how those look with those too. Canic TP9. I like it a lot. Yeah, I do like this. Next, I don't know what's next. This is my P80, made by AW Customs. I think this is a VX7, but looks okay. I don't really care for this gun. Okay, it looks perfect on this. I feel like the diameter of it is like very small, where it's not gonna hit the spring guide of the guns. Cause on my other suppressors, it does, like, for example, the Canic CP9 or the Glock or the other one, it definitely hits the spring guide coming backwards with the slide, and then like jam the gun a little bit. This is my CZP09, my first gas blowback. CO2 power. This is my favorite one, and it looks amazing with this. Next gun, or last gun actually, is the Glock 18C. Okay, now this looks perfect. As I was saying, it doesn't hit the spring guide. As you can see, no interference at all. It's feeding just fine. Gives it a little echo sound to it. But this is perfect for this gun. Did it? Oop, I almost knocked all that stuff down. But it's in the magazine too, makes it even look even better. Out of gas. But yeah, I forgot I do have my saw I can put this on too. So that would be the actual last gun. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the suppressor on there, and it looks amazing. Now all I need is a side drum magazine if they make those, or just a box mag, whatever. But this will definitely be on when I'm in the field. I could also use my other one, but I'll have to take this part out right here. I have to like push it back in after I got the suppressor on there. And I don't want this to be all loose and stuff, so I'm gonna keep it on. But that's gonna be pretty much it of this video. Unboxing my new suppressor, aluminum suppressor off of Hop Up. And yeah.